Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about acids, bases and salts from chapter 2, class 10 CBSE syllabus. Children, let us discuss the importance of pH in our everyday life. Let us discuss about digestive system. In human body, all the physiological reactions takes place at one pH of 7 to 7.8. Hydrochloric acid is secreted as food enters the stomach, turns to pH of stomach between 1 and 3 because of overeating of various reasons. Excess of HCl, hydrochloric acid, is released. The excess of HCl in the stomach causes indigestion, which produces pain and irritation. To cure indigestion, we can take bases called antacids. Antacids are a group of mild bases. Being basic in nature, they react with excess acids in the stomach and neutralize it. Common as antacids used for curing indigestion due to acidity are milk of magnesia, means magnesium oxide, and baking soda, etc. Children, let us discuss the importance of pH in tooth decay. When we eat food, the bacteria present in our mouth breaks down the sugar to form acids. The acid lowers the pH in the mouth, making it acidic. When the pH of mouth falls below 5.5, our tooth starts decaying. Tooth decays happens because the acid becomes strong enough to attack the enamel and corrode it. The best way to prevent tooth decay is to clean the mouth thoroughly after eating food. Many kinds of toothpaste containing bases to neutralize mouth acid means the pH of toothpaste being about 8.0. So we using toothpaste for cleaning the teeth can neutralize the excess of acid in the mouth. Children, let us discuss the plants and animals are sensitive to pH changes. Yes, most of the plants grow best when the pH of soil is close to 7. If the soil is too acidic, then it is treated with quicklime, means calcium oxide, slaked lime with calcium hydroxide, and chalk, calcium carbonate. If the soil is too alkaline, then it can be reduced by adding manure or compost, which contains acidic materials. The pH also plays an important role in the survival of animals, including human beings. The aquatic animals can survive in water bodies within a narrow range of pH change. The high acidity of water bodies can kill aquatic animals. Calcium carbonate is often added to acidic lake water to neutralize the acid that comes from acid rain. Children, let us discuss the self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. When a honeybee stings a person, it injects formic acid into the skin. By rubbing a mild baking soda neutralizes the acidic liquid injected by a bee sting. When a wasp stings, it injects a alkaline liquid into the skin, causing burning pain. By rubbing mild acid vinegar on the sting area gives relief. When a person touches the leaves of a nettle plant, the sting hair of a nettle leaves injects methanoic acid into the skin. It can be neutralized by rubbing baking soda or duck plant, which gives beside the nestle plant and is basic in nature. Lime juice to clean copper vessels. Children, a dull green colored forms on a copper vessels when it is exposed to damp air over an extended period of a time. Copper hydroxide and copper carbonate are combined to form this greenish layer, and the reaction is as follows. Because of these goods are basic in nature, acidic substances such as lemon or tamarind juice are required to clean them. These sour components are chosen for cleaning since they are good at cleaning copper vessels. Children, let us discuss the properties of acids, bases, and salts. The acid, bases, and salts affect chemistry as well as our day to day life. They can be easily identified by their taste, that it is acids taste sour and bases taste bitter, and salt themselves have salty taste. Acids are usually found in many substances including various food items, but their presence in many fruits is very prominent. For example, a part of this there are some acids which are widely used in the laboratory like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Usually bases are found in household cleaners only to clean grease, form the window and the floors, and it also found in soaps, toothpaste, egg whites, dishwashing liquids and household ammonia. Our body contains some very common acids in stomach like diluted hydrochloric acid which causes food indigestion. When the contents of our stomach become too acidic, we usually get indigestion and a burning sensation in our stomach. Acids and bases are also regulate some metabolic activities in the human body through the process of equilibrium. B string are acidic in nature while the swap strings are alkaline in nature. All acids when react with metals generate hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is usually common to all acids. Thank you.